Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make comparing products more fun than a cat in a shark costume. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with two contenders, the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop and the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop. So grab your rubber gloves and let's mop the floor with some knowledge. Let's kick things off with price. The Shark S3501 is priced at just $89, making it an affordable choice for budget-conscious shoppers. Reviewers have praised it for being a great value, highlighting its effectiveness on various floor types without leaving streaks. On the other hand, the BISSELL Powerfresh comes in at $164, which is quite a jump. While it offers versatility and additional tools, many users feel the Shark provides excellent cleaning power for less money. In summary, if you're looking for budget-friendly options, the Shark is your best bet. Next, let's discuss steam power. The Shark S3501 heats up in just 30 seconds and is praised for its ability to clean effectively without leaving behind any chemicals. Reviewers love how it quickly sanitizes floors, especially hardwood and tile. The BISSELL Powerfresh also eliminates 99.9% of germs and has the added benefit of a handheld steam cleaner feature, making it perfect for tackling sticky spots and above-floor cleaning. Users appreciate its versatility, but some note that it can struggle with maintaining steam strength during prolonged use. Both products excel in steam power, but the Shark is quicker to heat up. When it comes to versatility, the Shark is designed for all sealed hard floors, making it a solid choice for basic cleaning tasks. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness on bamboo and tile floors. Meanwhile, the BISSELL Powerfresh comes with an extension tube and multiple accessories, allowing it to clean everything from floors to clothing. Users love its all-in-one functionality, but some reviewers have found that the BISSELL can be cumbersome when carrying around for long periods. If you want a mop that does it all, the BISSELL might be the way to go. Now let's talk about cord length. The Shark S3501 has an 18-foot power cord, which is decent for most cleaning tasks. However, the BISSELL Powerfresh boasts a 25-foot cord, giving you the freedom to move around without constantly switching outlets. Reviewers appreciate the extra length on the BISSELL, noting it makes cleaning larger areas much easier. If you value mobility, BISSELL takes the win here. Finally, let's discuss cleaning pads. Both mops come with washable microfiber pads, but the Shark S3501 includes two machine washable pads that reviewers say lift and lock in dirt effectively. On the other hand, the BISSELL Powerfresh comes with a variety of tools, including a flat surface tool and bristle scrub brush, making it a more versatile option for different cleaning scenarios. Users have remarked on the efficiency of the BISSELL's pads, especially for larger cleaning jobs. Overall, if you want a simple solution, Shark is the way to go, while BISSELL offers a comprehensive cleaning toolkit. In summary, both the Shark S3501 and BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers generally find the Shark to be effective, easy to use, and a great value for money. On the other hand, the BISSELL is praised for its versatility and additional tools, though some users have raised concerns about its durability and steam output. So which mop should you choose? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, no-nonsense cleaner that gets the job done, go with the Shark S3501. But if you want versatility and a whole toolkit to tackle everything from floors to fashion faux pas, the BISSELL Powerfresh is your mop mate. Remember folks, whether you choose Shark or BISSELL, the most important thing is to keep those floors squeaky clean and the germs at bay. If you enjoyed this steamy showdown, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more product comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart and mopping hard. Bye!